Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV. Welcome to EnforceTac 2025 with TFBTV Showtime. I'm here with Victor at Gestamen Arms, Hungarian company.
Yes.
You guys, we just talked about the pistol that you guys are manufacturing. Now we've got some light machine guns.
Yes.
As well. I always love talking about machine guns. This is a new one. This is a prototype, right?
Yes,
that we're looking
it's
at?
still in the prototype phase.
Victor, tell me everything about it.
Yeah. As you know, right now everyone's seeking lighter, more modular, like monolithic upper rails that you can use any optics, lasers, anything that you want. And we achieved that monolithic upper rail with our side feeding system. It's our own design, and in this prototype right now, it's feeding from the right, but due to requirements from the Hungarian Defense Forces, we are changing this to the NATO way. So the next prototype will feed from the left, and that way the charging handle will switch places probably. And now it's an open board system. It still has the quick barrel change system. So it has this quick barrel change system. You need to lock the board back naturally, and you can change your barrels on the move. I think it's a big advantage of this machine gun, because as you know, the new machine guns that are around 6 kilograms, there are some companies that states that they can't really do this quick barrel change due to weight restrictions. But here is our machine gun, which is still in this prototype form. Weighs nothing like M249 or something like that.
Yeah, it's pretty lightweight.
And it still has a lot of mass behind it, but we can change some parts of the receiver, and it will be only 6 kilograms in the end. And we will have all these capabilities that the warfighters are looking for. Here we have a folding stock.
Does that use an AR buffer tube? So like,
yes.
Can I put a different AR stock on it if I want?
Yes, AR buffer tubes. It can fire at full auto, single automatic, and it has a safe mode.
Okay, what type of operating system does it use?
It now uses a piston system, and
long stroke or short stroke?
It's a short stroke piston system.
I see it has adjustable gas.
Yes, adjustable.
What settings?
It has the settings cut, so no gases back. Advanced settings and normal.
What type of testing has this machine gun undergone?
Now it is under testing by the Hungarian Defense Forces, and from their feedback we are developing further this platform. We are trying to make a uniform system if it is possible in the end, and it can be interchanged from 5.56 to 7.62.
Why would I get a system like this instead of like an M249 or any of your, a Negev, you know, any of your other potential competitors? Or even a PKM?
Totally valid question, because it has all the modern features without added weight. You have Picatinny rays, 360 around the handguard. You have a removable forend that you can customize if there's any need for it. There's a really quick change barrel system. It is side feeding without any real problem. You put the links here, and you can rack the bolt and you can shoot it. And it's really light, so it doesn't encumbers the soldier who carries it.
The reliability, what type of reliability and durability can I expect out of this?
Right now, as with any prototypes, we have reliability issues, but nothing that we can't manage. It's only depending on the testing and the time we have to develop further this gun. But in the end, it will be 100% reliable. I'm sure of that.
When will the end be? In other words, when do you think that this is going to be released?
I think for the Hungarian Defense Forces, it's in 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
But we hope that the development goes well and maybe faster.
What are you calling this machine gun?
It's the LMG 234.
Why 234?
Oh, sorry, LMG 224. I don't know.
Well, at least you're honest.
Yeah. I wasn't at the committee when
right, the naming committee, right? Yeah, you guys do that only on Fridays, the third Friday of the month. Got it.
And I was.
And you weren't there.
Yeah, I was at home already.
Cancun. Yeah. I got it. Well, Victor, thank you. I really appreciate you giving us the rundown. Guys, thank you for watching TFBTV. Make sure that you stay tuned for more EnforceTac and EWA 2025.